Good morning, my friend. It's a sunny morning, isn't it? So, let me enjoy my morning coffee and...
Oh wait! What is this?
It's okay. So what was that? To know what happened, let me tell you what are the different colors of exhaust gases. There are three popular colors. 1. Black smokes, which means that the engine is consuming much more fuel than its normal. 2. White smoke tends to blue, which means that the engine is burning oil and can be caused by bad piston rings, worn valve seals or worn turbocharger in some vehicle. 3. White smokes, this due to water vapor as a result of combustion, and this is normal at the most cases, but sometimes it could be a critical sign. If you enjoyed this 1-minute lesson and want to see more, find us on YouTube. Coming soon to you to me.